Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. It is the first day of autumn and I'm about to plant some potatoes. I'm doing something a little different. These are potatoes that I deliberately let sit in my kitchen because they're too small to do anything with except replant. So I let them sit for a couple of weeks to see if eyes would form, and they have. So, probably wondering why I'm planting potatoes in September. Well, these potatoes are going to be dormant. This bin is not going to be used this winter. I am growing a lot of greens, but this one is free. Free meaning available. So I'm going to plant these babies. I'm going to let them sit over winter and they'll get a head start come spring. So when the weather warms up, these will sprout and I will have, in essence, free potatoes. So before I covered these, I wanted you to see where I placed them. I'm trying to plant these about 6 to 8 inches apart, and I want to cover them with about 4 to 6 inches of soil, and I'm going to leave them for the winter, as I said, and come spring I don't have to do anything except for wait for the weather to warm up and to water them. This is the Frugal Gardener. Enjoy your day, and remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Have a great day.